Tonight, an explosion at a base in Iraq amid new uncertainty in the Middle East after Israel launched a direct attack on Iran in retaliation for a barrage of Iranian missiles and drones. Iranian proxies outside of Iran facing attacks. Explosions causing a large fireball at a base near Baghdad, belonging to an Iranian-backed militia, seen in this cell phone video circulating on social media. One person killed, say Iraqi officials, with the US military denying any involvement. The IDF saying they won't comment. That attack in Iraq coming less than 24 hours after Israel's strike on Iran.
Lawmakers have just passed a crucial $61 billion aid package for Ukraine. The final result was 311 in favor to 112 votes against. The bill had been delayed by Republicans for weeks due to cross-party wrangling. Washington has been Ukraine's biggest backer in its war against Russia, but Congress has not approved major funding since last year. Democratic lawmakers in Congress have been pushing for a major new weapons package for Ukraine for months, but Republican hardliners have been reluctant to provide funding to Kyiv.
Ukraine launched a barrage of drones across Russia overnight, according to Moscow's Ministry of Defense. The attacks appear to have targeted Russia's energy infrastructure. According to Moscow, 50 drones were shot down by their air defense systems over 8 Russian regions. Meanwhile, in Ukraine, civilians and even priests are helping produce weapons and other equipment for their army. About 100 drones that one priest and his volunteers have built have now been dispatched to the front line and are ready to launch.
Japanese maritime self-defense force choppers have reportedly crashed off the island's southern coast. As reported by Japanese Defense Minister Minoru Kihara, the two SH-60K choppers carrying 4 crew members each lost contact late Saturday around 10:30 p.m. local time near Torishima Island in the Izu Island chain system, about 600 kilometers south of Tokyo is where this happened. The mishap is said to have occurred during a nighttime training exercise, with Defense Ministry officials suspecting both choppers collided mid-air during close proximity maneuvers.
Fighting between the Myanmar junta and rebels scaled up on Saturday in Myawaddy, a town close to the Thai border. That's according to witnesses, media and Thailand's government. Rebels were pressed to flush out junta troops holed up for days at the bridge border crossing. In this video obtained by Reuters, a helicopter appeared to get hit. Thick black smoke was seen rising in another video. Several Thai media outlets said about 200 civilians had crossed the border to seek temporary refuge in Thailand.
It is a sector that the Canary Islands has come to depend on. While tourism has been a boon for the economy, for many here at this protest in Tenerife, it has also been detrimental. As well as the damage to its landscape, activists say that the toll tourism is taking on residents is too heavy to bear. Rising prices designed for tourists and hikes in property prices mean, for many, life on these islands is too expensive.